Welcome to another edition of Morning Star Reviews. Morning Star is a Christian bookstore sharing Jesus Christ with New England and the world. Thanksgiving is one of America's all-time favorite holidays. It's a day of feasting and family gatherings with a rich Christian history that started right here in New England. We found some great books for both rallying the kids to the kids' table and adding some tasty conversation and calories to the adult table. Here are Morning Star's top 5 picks for Thanksgiving. Number 5, Thankful. Thankful by Eileen Spinelli is a colorful children's book that promotes being thankful for life's many blessings. Great illustrations, short, sweet rhymes, and a focus on having a grateful attitude. Thankful is an excellent choice for preschool age and up. Number 4, Problems in Plymouth. Problems in Plymouth by Marianne Herring and Marshall Younger is a book from the Imagination Station book series for children. This historical fiction story uses the first Thanksgiving as a backdrop for what might have happened if someone tried to sabotage the peace efforts of William Bradford, Miles Standish, and Chief Massasoit. We like that the tale is rich with history, action, and suspense while being easy to read and hard to put down. Problems in Plymouth is geared towards children ages 6 to 10. Number 3, The First Thanksgiving. The First Thanksgiving by Robert Tracy McKenzie is an engaging look at the real lives of the Pilgrims and Native Americans during the first Thanksgiving celebration. We like the narrative writing style, the wealth of information, and the focus on history with an awareness of God's hand at work. The First Thanksgiving is both entertaining and thought-provoking for teens and adults with an interest in the history of Thanksgiving. Number 2, The Gospel Comes with a House Key. The Gospel Comes with a House Key by Rosaria Butterfield showcases the power of God's love demonstrated to others through the practice of radically ordinary hospitality. Butterfield came to know Christ through the hospitality extended to her, and she draws on her powerful testimony to guide the reader in bringing others into their home and around their table. We like the strong focus on practical approaches to loving your neighbor, the emphasis on helping the hurting through community, and the frank, open discussions on how to receive and relate to people with different views and backgrounds. Great for Thanksgiving Day and every day, The Gospel Comes with a House Key is an instructive and challenging read for anyone looking to share Christ's life-changing gospel through relationship. Number 1, Me, Myself, and Pie. Me, Myself, and Pie by Sherry Gore is a full-color cookbook featuring classic and modern pie recipes and stories from Amish life. We like the amazing photos, the sheer volume of mouth-watering pie recipes, including a Thanksgiving pie, and the approachable instructions and ingredients. Some of our staff members have tried these recipes and found them easy to follow with fantastic results. Me, Myself, and Pie makes a great gift for the baker in your life. Well, there you have it, Morning Star's top 5 picks for Thanksgiving. Let us know what you thought in the comments section, including suggestions for other great titles. All of our top 5 picks are available through your local Morning Star Christian bookstore. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more great reviews and videos. Find us on Facebook and visit MorningstarBookstore.com for the store nearest you. Thanks for watching this episode of Morning Star Reviews. Join us next time as we continue to share Jesus Christ with New England and the world.